beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be tackling a topic that affects so many of us but often goes unspoken, which is periods. We will be specifically diving into those pesky period cramps and mood swings. But don't worry, I've got a fantastic herbal tea recipe that's going to help ease those discomforts and make you feel like a queen. So ladies, we all know that this time of the month or that time of the month can bring along some unwelcome guests like period cramps, and they can range from annoying to downright painful. But fear not, there are all natural remedies that can alleviate the discomfort and keep those cramps at bay. So tip number one is stay active. I know it might be tempting to curl up in bed with a hot water bag, but light exercise can actually help ease those cramps. Tip number two, heat it up. Apply heat to your abdomen can really work wonders for relieving cramps. Tip number three is take a break and pamper yourself. Treat yourself to a relaxing bath with some essential oils or indulge in some soothing massage. Remember, self-care is essential during this time and you deserve that extra love and attention. Now, let's move on to our fabulous herbal tea recipe that will not only help with cramps but also combat with mood swings. So are we ready? So here's what you'll need. Moroccan mint tea or green tea, 1 tablespoon of it. Chamomile tea, 1 tablespoon of it. Jasmine tea, 1 tablespoon. Cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon, and honey to taste. So we are going to brew this lovely concoction using a French press because it really helps infuse the flavors perfectly. So grab your French press and let's create some magic. Step number one is add the Moroccan mint tea or green tea, chamomile tea and jasmine tea to your French press. Step number two is sprinkle the delightful cinnamon powder, and this not only adds to the delicious flavor, but cinnamon is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which is perfect for easing cramps. Step number three, pour in some hot water, but make sure it's not boiling. Let it steep for about 4 to 5 minutes to allow all those wonderful flavors to blend in. Step number four, once the tea has steeped, press down the plunger of the French press slowly. This will separate the tea leaves and the herbs from the liquid, giving you a smooth and flavorful brew. Step number five is add honey to taste. So honey not only adds a touch of sweetness but also provides some natural antioxidants that will help with overall well-being. And voila! Your herbal tea mix is ready to be sipped and enjoyed. So pour it into your lovely cup or mug. Sit back and let the healing properties of this blend work their magic. So remember, my lovelies, we all go through these natural changes and it's essential to listen to our bodies and give them the care they deserve. So I hope these tips for revealing period cramps and herbal tea recipe has brought some insight, some valuable insight rather, and practical solutions to you. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss any of my future videos. So thank you for joining me today, and until next time, stay fabulous, stay strong, and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.